was like 252 on it, huh? Yeah. Interesting. And just smoothed it out for him.
Got the black lung. Worst place to have engine trouble ever.
Nice car, huh? Got to get it video.
Oh, it's kissing. Your tire might be in the air. Yeah, motherfucker. That's my dick. Sorry to get in your way, but I gotta get in your way. Both tires? Oh. Dang. Jordan, go back over there, babe. Jordan, go back over there. Go back over there. Let me see going for you guys.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Come on. Your tire is definitely in the air. You can't. I think you're gonna need a pull too. Turn to the right. You got both tires there, dude. I know, that other back one's just barely touching.
This back tire ain't touching nothing, dude.
Neither is this one. He's just hanging.
He's got it. He's hung up on the bumper. I should have stopped.
Somebody pulling.
You even said that earlier.
That's the problem. They always stop.